If your shower has ever made this sound before, don't panic, let's go to the shop.
It's important to note, anytime a whistling issue happens, it's usually not an emergency. Usually, it's something you can fix yourself and probably save 150 bucks. You can unscrew the shower head. Inside, you'll find a screen. That screen will collect debris, sediment, etc. You can usually just remove that by rinsing it. And then once you've done that, you can reattach the shower head and see if that solved your issue.